Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we cooking today, Kay?
We're making reindeer chow.
Reindeer chow. Woo! That's kind of like a party mix, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, actually, party mix was developed or created in 1952. It appeared in a magazine article. And by 1955, it was a standard holiday party dish. It was originally created to sell more cereal because look at all the cereal we got. Calls for 9 cups, this particular recipe. Anyways, this is the first time we've ever made this, right?
What?
Who used to make it for us? Every Christmas Eve, we would get this from Aunt Wendy and Kirsty and,
yeah,
and everybody.
Kirsty.
They would always bring it. And so I thought it was her recipe. I didn't realize it was on the back of cereal boxes. So forgive me. But so I had her send us the recipe. And then when we went to buy the stuff, we saw that John Legend's wife has created updated version. So I thought we'd try her version.
Yes.
Woo! Okay, so let's start cooking. So
we have cereal mix.
okay, so let's just go over this. This is rice and corn and chocolate. 3 cups of each. I just put them in the bowl because they're going to get set aside when we start mixing, right? So that's the cereal mix, right?
We have chocolate chips.
Right, and that is a cup of chocolate chips.
We have peanuts.
Right. We have a 1/4 cup of peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Let me just explain that. The peanut butter is in water, so we can pour off the water and it won't stick to the cup. And there we have
marshmallows.
2 cups marshmallows.
We have M&Ms. We have pretzels and butter and
powdered sugar.
And
vanilla. We got the whole house. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Okay, so you ready to get cooking?
Yep.
Okay, so first I'm going to drain this. You can put the butter in here. You put the butter in the bowl and I'm going to drain the peanut butter.
So we need butter first.
Okay, go ahead. Keep adding the vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yep. Oh, I don't know if we were supposed to do that yet, but hey, whatever. Add the chocolate chips.
We add chocolate chips.
Okay, now we're going to go microwave this for 30 seconds, right? So we microwaved it for 30 seconds and I think another 15 seconds while we were waiting, but I think it's going to have to go back in there again. Okay, so we microwaved it. Now we're going to just kind of stir it and make it all smooth, right? Kay, did you want to stir it?
Sure.
Good job stirring, Miss Kaylee. All right, so we want to smooth it. We want to make it all smooth. Okay, so you can see it's melted. And like I said, we have not made this before, so it's a surprise. So now, Kay, what we're going to do is we're going to have to stir it over top of this. So I wonder, go ahead. So we're going to, you let me pour some in there, and then you want to start stirring this, or do you want to pour and let me stir?
You stir, now I pour.
Okay, so just, okay, go ahead. Let me take that out of there for you. All right, let's just do half for a minute so we can kind of see how we're doing. Oops. Hold it so they can see in the camera. Okay, let me. Oh boy. We need a bigger bowl. So I did mention that this was created to sell more cereal. We understand why now, right? Right? Mm-hmm. So, oh, no wonder this is so yummy, all this chocolatey stuff. Wow. I can't believe we've never made this, huh?
No.
Okay, put that down and we'll see. Did you want to try to stir it or you're afraid it will?
Good.
Let's do this. Let's mix it. So it's not so big in the bowl. What do you think?
Okay.
So you stir a little and I'll stir a little, and then we'll put them all together. What do you think?
Okay.
Try to scoop the sides of that. That way we're both stirring since this is so big. Okay, so then it's supposed to go into the bag eventually. So I figured why not just do it now, right? Throw it all in there. We're trying to be faster. Haley and I don't want to touch this stuff, right? We like to have as little mess as possible. So, let me see now that's heavy. So I can lift it up. We only spilt a little. And I'm going to let you do that part, Kaylee, with the towel's kind of heavy. So this is a 2-gallon bag that I got from, hold on a minute, that I got from the dollar store, you guys. So, hold on. All right, that goes in there. We got it all. That goes in the sink. Okay, so now, can you put it in there? Let me get that stuff out of your way, okay? See the hole is open? Okay, the goal is not to spill any. It's like pickup sticks. That's good. Hand-eye coordination, Kay. Look at that. You go, girl. Woo! Okay.
Oh, this is so easy.
That is so easy to do. See, that was a good idea, huh?
Because I did this at therapy sometimes.
You did that at therapy?
Yeah, Miss Katie Harris working on that.
Why do you think it was that so your hands could be gripping? Why did she have to do it like that? You think to make your hands stronger?
Yeah.
Because gripping is hard for you?
Yeah.
Oh, well, see, look, we didn't even know we were going to be doing therapy, did we? We were practicing and we're making a nice treat. Okay, hold on, I'm going to just dump it.
And it's easy to do with both hands at a time.
Throw it in there, girlfriend.
So we have marshmallows in here.
2 cups marshmallows. Okay.
Marshmallows.
Next.
We have
Put it.
peanuts.
Peanuts. Okay.
We only have lots of pretzels.
Yep. Now we see why we need a big 2-gallon bag.
Of M&M's.
Okay, so now.
And look along what should do next.
What was your mom going to do next?
Mm-hmm.
We're going
to check the box.
Well, let's just shake this a little bit. And then, I just want to make sure, here, I'm going to seal it and shake it a little bit. Just a little bit. Now, go ahead and you can dump the powdered sugar in there. Woo!
Powdered sugar.
Holy caramba! This is like all the sugar in our house, isn't it?
A lot of these.
Okay, ready?
Wait.
Shake, rattle, roll.
Shake,
Wow.
rattle, roll.
How come it's coming out? All right. Now, this big bag does not look pretty, does it? But
it's okay.
oh, woo!
It's snowing.
It's snowing?
Yeah, it's snowing.
Okay, so what we thought we would do is, I'm going to pour a little bit back in here so we can see it. But what we thought we would do is we're going to package this up in baggies, also from the dollar store.
Yep, I'm going to give it away.
Yeah, where are our baggies? Let's. Can you grab them right there, Kaylee? Okay, so we're gonna make these for our neighbors, but and what I did was I just put a cup that would hold the bag, and that way Kaylee can fill it up. Okay, I think that's probably good. And then we're going to, like I said, we also got these from the dollar store, right? Mm-hmm. But these would be nice little gift bags for therapists or teachers or whatever, right? That kind of has, you know, those you have to say a little thank you for. And what I always did when Kaylee was growing up was I had her then write a handwritten note to go along with it and tell them like how much she appreciated their help, because it takes a village, right, to raise our children. And hold on, Kay, I didn't have the bag open right. Okay. So, but maybe it would work for you all, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's fill this one up. And Kaylee always felt proud, right? Oh, I'm speaking for you, but you always felt proud giving this away, right? Because not just we never made this, but whatever gifts we made, because that way your teachers knew it came from you, right?
Yeah.
And you felt proud because you got to.
And Mom made the Christmas crack, and everybody loved it.
You can't tell them about that Christmas crack. I don't know if I'm making it for them. Okay, that's probably good. All right. Let's wrap this one up. And then what are you going to say, Kay?
If you like our video, leave a comment below. If you have another recipe for next time, send it to me for Mom for next time.
Okay, create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum. And you can see these activities help, like, right, you got fine motor skills we were using. We use speech and language. All kinds of skills were practiced, right?
Yep.
And we're giving, and kindness, because we're going to be giving them to our neighbors.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. So, create, cook, talk, and very happy holiday. Be safe out there. 6 feet apart from each other. Have a great holiday. See ya.
See ya. Bye.